Hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. I'm going to show you how I set up my garage so I never get stuck again during a power outage. So stay tuned. Every time we have a power outage, we can't get into the garage because the garage door opener is run by electric. And to top it off, we have our generator sitting in the garage too. It's the only place we can keep the generator anywhere on the property. It's the best spot for it. Recently, a car had hit a utility pole near the house and we were unable to get into the garage to get to the generator or even to open the garage to get to anything else that was in the garage. After my business had a power outage, I recalled that some of the equipment was still running because they were on the battery backup. So my idea is, why don't I add a battery backup to the garage door opener? So this way, if the power does go out, I'll still be able to access the garage and get to the generator. So after a quick search on Amazon and a next day delivery, I was able to set up temporarily to test it out to make sure it does work. I'm going to use some scrap metal that I had that they used to make brackets for the garage door opener, and I just cut this piece there. So we'll rig this thing up to make a little shelf for this up there. I'm going to clean these up, make them the same length. This way it won't look too wanky up there. Okay, so I had built my little shelf. So here it is. Spare wood, a couple of pieces of scrap metal that I used to have or had. And it's all nice and ready to go for the universal power supplies. Looks good, but I'm not done yet. I have one more thing I want to do to the universal power supply. I want to run an extension cord from there all the way around to there and try and fix that rat's nest over there. Now, in case if the power goes out, I have access to my garage door.